Yeah, so I'm getting a few bites now, a few twitches on the rod tip, but I'm not sure if they might be line bites or actual bites. I've seen one or two fish rising on the surface, but I would have thought, because these are only small line bites or bites, I don't know if there might be perch or something. Not quite sure, but it's a lovely morning, bit misty, but it is -2, but at least I'm getting a few bites. That's always the worst thing when you go fishing, if you don't get any bites. But I am getting one or two twitches, which is good. I mean, that's a big lobworm. So, oh, that was a nice eye that just jumped in the middle there. So there's one or two fish in the area, which is good. Now let's see if we can hook something. Oh, got another nice fish on. I think it's a chub. It feels like a chub. That rod tip went straight round. It'd be nice if it is another chub. I think it might be. Oh no, I think it's an hide. Another big hide. Oh, he's rolled on the line. Oh, yes, it's another hide. Oh, look at that. Oh, sorry, Mr. Hyde. Hey, that's another good one. That's a chunk. That's over £5, that one. Yeah, another big hide. I reckon this one's going to be £5. He's got some nice red coloration in the tail there. I don't know whether it's time of year. Well, that is a very, very nice fish. Let's weigh him. Not quite £4.5, but it's a nice big thick set fish. Lovely. Now going back in, there we go. There you go, mister. See you again when you're a bit bigger. Look at the way it swims in the river. So much power. Beautiful. Oh, just got a nice chub on in close. I just put it a quarter of the way across and I've just got a nice chub. Love chub. I haven't had many this year. This is my third chub. Come on, Mr. Chub. About £3. It was a hell of a bite, that one. It was a good bite. Come on, in you come, Mr. Chub. Lovely. Nice big chub. Oh, he's a big chub actually. Now I could be getting on for 4. Look at that. What a cracking chub. Let's get him out and weigh him. Look at that, what a cracking chub. £4, 14 ounces. What a beautiful chub. Well, that's a beautiful chub. Biggest chub I've had for a long time. £4, 14 ounces. And again, a tip, bang, right round. Now that is what you call a big chub. It's perfect, absolutely perfect. Fit perfect, scale perfect. A bit windy, but what a beautiful, beautiful fish. Right, let's take a quick photograph and put it straight back. Dead chuffed with that. Here's my big chub being released back into the river. There he goes. Straight underneath the stagings. Yeah, we've just landed a beautiful little bit of marking there. Looks like we've got a bit of goldfish in here. Looks a good £5 in this one. I didn't catch it on film. It's blowing a gale. Lovely fish. I've never had one quite this deep before. So this one. Deep-bodied fish, this one. There we go. Into the depths of the river once again. Not sure where he's going. He's looking round. He's just trying to nudge where he is. That's a big fish, 413 on the lobworm. Lovely big fish, just a shame it's been so windy really. He's just trying to get his bearings now. It's going into the weed. Lovely. Well, here I am on my local river this winter, just before the close season, and I've just managed a beautiful eyed on lobworm, £5, 11 ounces. There we go. It's a nice chunky eye, this one. I say, caught it just in the centre of the river, just using natural bait of lobworm, putting it along the bottom. Lovely eyed, this one, nice and fat, in good condition. Yeah, so that was good, wasn't it? That hide was a nice good fish. As I say, just caught in the middle of the river with a piece of lobworm. I'm going to put another one on now and we'll cast in again and see if there's anything else around there. But to be fair, it's getting a bit too bright now for them because they can see everything, you see, and they are clever, these fish, and that's why most people come early morning, because they're well on the feed, and as soon as it gets too bright, you know, they can see your hooks, they can see your rigs, and there you go. You can't outwit them if they're cleverer than you, but in the morning they seem to be on the feed quite well, which is good. But you've only got like a couple of hours. I've been here a couple of hours now, and it's getting a bit late. The sun's a bit bright, as you can see, but I'm just going to cast this bait just into the centre of the river, and we'll see if we can get any more bites. I'm hoping so. I'm hoping for one more. I'll give it another half an hour